Welcome friends. GST Made Easy News. Presented by ACE Business Academy. As reported in the Net Revenue Department working on ways to widen tax base, after coming up with a slew of steps to help taxpayers. The Revenue Department is also working on ways to broaden the tax base, through a number of steps including cross-seeding data from PAN, challans and e-way bills, and tax declarations, including refunds with GST information. Top officials said. They are also looking at ways to expand the scope of tax deductions at source (TDS) by all firms making payments and tax collections (TCS) at source by e-commerce firms, as also presumptive taxes in some cases. We are intensifying cross-seeding of information and inter-agency cooperation in order to identify tax loopholes and add more people to the tax net, said top officials. The moves to expand the scope of TDS and TCS will take time and may be brought as late as the next budget, said an official. The work on the matter has started. We are looking at including more goods and services in TCS to widen the net and reduce revenue leakages, officials said. In the case of cross-seeding, officials will be looking at information mismatches in GST filings when compared with corporate and IT filings. If you need more news on GST, please subscribe our channel. Also subscribe our Telegram channel from the link below to get ebook, PDF and other resources on GST. Have a nice day.